Hey, it's Trevor from your favorite GM dealership. I wanted to share the scoop with you, so I really hope you get this voicemail before the end of the day on Monday, because our dealership is having a huge 5-day sale event starting this Thursday, April 18th. So okay, you already know that you can get a brand new 2013 Sonic LS starting at $47 a week, taxes included, with 0 down and 0% interest for 84 months on approved credit. Or the Chevy Cruze LS for $52 a week, an Equinox LS for $89 a week, or a Silverado 2-wheel drive extended cab pickup truck for only $83 a week. Again, all taxes included, 0 down and no interest for 84 months on approved credit. But now, cash buyers also get up to an additional $2,000 in cash incentives. Yes, that's over 10 grand in cash incentives on select models, and that is crazy. We also have a $500 gas card with the purchase of all 2013 vehicles except pickup trucks. But if you're wanting to buy a pickup truck, we're going to give to you $1,000 in chrome accessories for free. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We just received over $250,000 in GM loyalty vouchers to buy back specific older GM models. So not only are we paying very aggressively for all trades, but for certain models, you can get up to an additional $1,500 in loyalty bonuses. I would call or visit the dealership ASAP to find out if your existing vehicle qualifies. What do you have to lose by asking? Okay, I have to go because we have to roll back the prices on all our used inventory for this sale. And we have to call another, 5,000 customers to tell them the good news. But I hope to see you soon during our huge 5-day event from April 18th to the 22nd at our dealership, because this is going to be the best time ever to buy that next new vehicle.